To verify your LinkedIn account with Fiverr, follow these steps. Log into Fiverr. Go to fiverr.com and log into your account. Access the account settings. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Go to Linked Accounts. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Linked Accounts section, where you will see options for connecting various social media profiles, including LinkedIn. Link your LinkedIn account. Find the LinkedIn option and click on Connect. Fiverr will redirect you to LinkedIn's login page if you're not already logged in. Log into LinkedIn and authorize Fiverr's access. Fiverr only requests basic account verification details. No personal LinkedIn data is shared with clients. Confirm the connection. After logging in and authorizing, LinkedIn should appear as connected in your Fiverr settings. Benefits of LinkedIn verification. Verifying your LinkedIn accounts builds credibility on Fiverr, showing potential clients that your professional profile is genuine and trustworthy, which can help improve your chances of getting hired.